Today's lesson's super easy. So, if you can solve for x, like we did for the bell ringer here. Okay. What are we doing?
I'm just taking notes.
Gosh, what is happening? Guys, put phones away. Let's pretend that we're doing math class. Okay, first step here is to distribute our 3 in. So you have 3x plus 3 equals 4x minus 15. Do you want to move the 4x or the 3x?
3x.
3x? Okay. That's fine. It does not. You can do it that way. You just have to divide by -1 at the end.
Add over the 15.
And then add over the 15. So we get x is equal to 18. Everybody good with that? Here is the difference in what we're doing today. Today we're doing linear inequalities. All the steps are the same, except there's one rule. What's that one rule? You flip the sign when you do what? No. God. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1.7 inequalities. Okay, so if I have something like this, -5x is less than or equal to 25. This is your big clue for what we just talked about.
When you divide by a negative.
When you divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign. Okay? So in this case, I have to divide by -5. -5. So I get x is now greater than or equal to -5. And we're going to plot this on a number line. This is how easy this is today. Here I am at -5. Is this an open dot or a closed dot? Why?
Because there's a line underneath.
Because it's equal to. So closed dot and x is greater than -5, so it goes this direction. And that's your answer. Easy enough for today?
Yeah, decent.
Pretty tough.
I know. I figured you guys might cry a little bit.
Pretty sure Dalton's doing this.
Okay, let's do, you guys do one more, and then I'll see what I can't even remember what I had for examples. Try this one.
That will be easy to write into the assignment.
Oh.
This will be easy. Just do this one. On your own. And then I've got to look, because I have a note written there, but I'm not sure if that's for this year or not.
I'm not going stuff over.
Watch out, man.
Sorry.
No, I think you can do without. Okay, so I have 2x. I subtract my 3x over. 2x minus 7 is greater than 9. So I'm going to add 7 over. So I have 2x is greater than 16. So what's x greater than? 8. Is that an open or a closed dot at 8?
Open.
Open dot. And x is greater than, so it goes to the right. Okay, this is the last thing I'm going to show you because I think this is all very easy, but this is just a reminder. Let's say I've got x plus 4 is less than or equal to 3x. What am I going to move first in this problem?
X.
The x. So I'm going to subtract the x to the right-hand side. So I have 4 is less than or equal to 2x. And now what am I going to do?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So I get 2 is less than or equal to x. When you go to graph this,
X is greater.
flip it around so x is on the left-hand side. So I have x is greater than or equal to 2. Otherwise, people tend to graph it wrong. Is that easy enough? Okay, I'm so glad I saved this for the very end of this chapter. So everybody should get an A plus 100 on this test. So we have 7 through 10, 19 to 30, You should be able to breeze right through this, and we should be able to go over this in class. We should have plenty of time. So then tomorrow, all we have to worry about is the concept quiz.